Morning. I'm just out setting. Got the cot in there. Gotta bring my heater in. Got my iPod and the baits are over there. There's one there. There's another one right there. Those are all wolf tracks out there. Looks like they hit the bait last night. So, yeah. I'm gonna spend the night out here and see what that brings. And kind of go from there. But it's only, oh goodness, it's only like minus 19 a day maybe. But there's some big tracks coming in here, like giant wolf, big wolf. I'll take a walk over and show you. You can see they're pushing my blind is right here, and they're pushing bush right. That's a big track. I'm gonna try and find one that's a little bit more distinct. Those are very big. Those are large. This is same spot I hunted last year. I ended up getting a shot at too. There we go. I'm size 13. And the ravens are all the way to my bait. That's crazy. And yeah, just out on Red Lake and just in the middle of nowhere. Only took the wolves 7 days, exactly 7 days to hit the bait. So they hit it on this past Friday. And it's Tuesday today, so looks like they're back. Put some fresh meat out, and we'll see. I'm gonna do some calling as well. See if I get one to come out. But that guy, oh my gosh, that big wolf again came right. That's like 25 yards. And there's just wolf track everywhere in this bay. It kind of starts over at the point, and then it comes all the way over to this point here. So this whole bay is just all wolf. Anyways, I'll check back in once I'm all set up and settled in. Kind of go from there. Might end up getting shot at a wolf today, but we'll see. Back out here. Just got some supplies. Just walking up. Put fresh bait out this morning. There's tracks everywhere. Those are all. There's wolf tracks all up and down here. So many wolf tracks, but yeah, you can see this right up there. But just starting to snow, and yeah, I'm gonna get get set up, and yeah, it should be a good night. Well, I'm set up. My baits out there. There's one right there. There's one right there. You can see there's wolf tracks all on that ridge. All on that ridge. And yeah, I'm just all dialed in here. Got my water, my binos, and my rifle and everything. And I just did a couple howls. And then a couple minutes of howling, and then I did a rapid distress. So I didn't hear anything back, but we'll see what happens as the night goes on. And hopefully this pack's not nocturnal, but it's hard to tell. But yes, you can't really see too much, but got my my bed set up and just my coat up there, my backpack and stuff. You can't see, but yeah, not too bad. Friggin' right, feels good. Feels good to be over here. Now I just need to see a wolf, and from me to the baits is about 220 yards. So we'll see. Well, here we are. Shooting light is over, so I'll probably just keep calling through the night, and I'm gonna test this propane heater. I got my rifle there. I gotta get that away into the bag and just trying out my stuff here. It's about, just gonna check the weather. Minus 25, minus 21 tomorrow, and then minus 29 on Thursday. Saturday's supposed to be not too bad. Saturday into Sunday. I'll probably do another overnighter on Saturday. Yeah, so not bad, but I might keep calling, but I might, at some point here, I won't be able to see anything. So, I mean, it shows up on the camera. I can see a bit. My bait's just over there. You can see the wind's just blowing. And, yeah, just call, but I'll start at a low volume, because if I don't want to spook them, starting at like volume 20 on the Fox Pro. It'll, if they're on the bait or whatever, they'll get freaked out. But I mean, regardless, if I'm calling at a low volume and they're on the bait 200 yards away, it's gonna probably bother them a bit, but yeah, I think they would, it's essentially just to bring them in and have them stick around, kind of be curious, and they might think another pack's coming in to take their food, so might make them stick around till morning light. Morning shooting light is 7:45, so I'll get up at 6 and get situated and have a bite to eat, make a tea, and yeah, just kind of go from there. But I'm gonna see if I can, this heater, I've never used it before, and that window's gonna stay open, so for ventilation purposes. But it just takes the chill off, just a little bit of a chill, and it's just the one. I have 2 sunflowers. Yeah, I'll just leave it on low and see how long that tank lasts. Yeah, I got a minus 40 sleeping bag, so should be okay. But yeah, we'll see you guys probably in the morning, unless I hear some calling at night. I might turn this back on, but yeah. woke up. The wolves are howling. I don't know if you can hear that. They're moving closer, but they're still in the distance. That's awesome. Holy sh**. Almost white out. Okay, my blind. I'll zoom in. There's my blind. You can barely see the red. Where is it? Where's my finger? Oh, you can't even see it. I'm on that point. I'm right there. I'm still shaking. This wolf followed my sled tracks around. He was right in front of my blind. And right there, excuse my language. Like he was maybe 25 yards away. So I get my 308. Where is it here? I got 308 with me. And I mean, I'm on 4.5 zoom, and I just dialed my scope into 250 yards the other day with a buddy. And I just wasn't confident in that shot. Just so close. I'm just like, So funny enough, the last 3 days, or the 3 outings I've been in out here, every time I take the shoreline, I'll take the shoreline home to hide my sled tracks so they're not right out in the open and people see me turn into bays and stuff. And sorry, my mouth is frozen. And so I had my 22 with me, and the scope is, anyway, here's my little 22. And it's just funny enough, I sighted that thing in for 25 yards for grouse. So I put the 308 down, and at this point the wolf is standing there and it's looking in my direction, but his head isn't like straight on. It's kind of out to the right. He's kind of looking at the edge of the peninsula. And so I don't know if he sees me or not. And I just take a shot, and I'm aiming at his head because I'm, at this point, I'm like, vital shot. He's going to be running and running and running and running. I just didn't have faith in the 22. So I knew it was going to hit straight, aim for the head. I didn't even know I hit him. There's no blood trail. There's absolutely no blood trail, but he came running over here past and just dropped. Holy crap. And I just brought the sled over. Look at this. Look at that dog. Oh, holy crap. Oh my God. Look at the paws. Holy crap. Oh man, that's a big dog. So I'm gonna just get this set up, and I'm vibrating. Oh shit. And these wolves, they keep this black one the other day, he came out from this ridge here. Let me zoom out. He came out from this ridge and he was standing here. I just saw his tail flicker as he jumped down to the ice, and he came up, didn't hit this bait, came out on this bait and was sniffing around back and forth. He probably stood there for 2 or 3 minutes, and it was still dark. It was like 7:24, and legal shooting light was 7:44, so he was about 20 minutes off. And he tucked himself into the bush kind of just behind me. But these ravens are wondering what's going on. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get dialed in here, and oh, that's insane. And that wolf smell, yeah, I've smelt that more times than I believe. Because you know what? Like, this is my first wolf, but I've smelt that smell so many times before in the bush. That is a distinct smell. And obviously he let his bowels go, but oh, That's got to be, I don't know how big that is, but it's a big dog. All right, well, I always carry, ever since I started baiting wolves, I carry these, they're actually from my dad's old work. They're like heat resistant gloves, but they just smell like meat. They're my, I set all my rabbit snares, and yeah, I set all my rabbit snares with it, and I also, which I don't know if it's a good idea to set rabbit snares, because I use these to also bait wolves. Like when I see this bait here behind me, when I pick it up, I don't even know where my big gloves are. I have big mittens, black ones, snowmobile gloves, and I don't like touching anything. And I use a wax on those gloves, and the wax is like a petroleum, and it's got a little bit of a smell to it. So I don't want to touch anything, and they're my good gloves too. I don't want to be touching meat and dead shit and whatnot with my good gloves, especially when my heated snowmobile grips are on. I'll be smelling ground beef cooking or something like that. But I'm gonna see if I can drag this dog over. Oh my gosh. Of course he's gonna get all... Holy shit. His canines are huge. Oh, okay. Oh. Yes, bud. That is a large wolf. Holy crap. He's got a beautiful white patch on his chest. Holy crap. This thing's giant. Oh, there we go. Big Northwest Ontario timber wolf. Holy. That's big. There we go. Into the sling. Into the sling. Wow. Look at this thing. It takes up the whole... Holy crap. Holy crap. I didn't even check. Like, I shot him in the head. I mean, it was like kind of point blank. I think I kind of hit him off to the side, just above the eyebrow. But once I get him thawed out, or, well, not thawed out, but holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh, insane.